In this part, we will test whether the three gases support burning. First, light a wooden splint. Then, remove the stopper from a test tube containing oxygen. Quickly put the burning splint into the test tube. What happens to the burning splint? Light another wooden splint. Blow the splint out to get a glowing splint. Remove the stopper from another test tube containing oxygen and quickly put the glowing splint into it. What happens to the glowing splint? Now repeat the steps with test tubes containing carbon dioxide. What happens to the burning splint and glowing splint? Repeat the steps again with test tubes containing nitrogen this time. What happens to the burning splint and glowing splint? Which of these gases can support burning?